Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I was asked this question. Teddy, is it okay to use Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook.com for email if you're in job search? And I did some research. I've got some good info for you, but before I share it, hit that subscribe button because there's lots more videos coming about using Gmail and Google Workspace. So I did the research. Gmail.com has 1.5 billion users. Now this is a gmail.com account right here. It's a free account, and you can see it's got ads on it, and they're not overly abusive. They're usually at the top of the message here. Very infrequently do they show up anywhere else other than on the top, or specifically on social and public promotions and other filtered areas other than primary. But gmail.com, 1.5 billion users. Now I looked at Outlook.com. Outlook.com, which used to be, by the way, Microsoft bought Hotmail.com and merged it together into Outlook.com. It's also free, and there are 400 million users on Outlook.com or Hotmail. Now there's another one too, is Yahoo. Yahoo.com, which is also free email. They have currently right now about 225 million users on Yahoo.com. And one more from comparison's sake is AOL.com. There are approximately, surprisingly, 1.5 billion users of AOL.com still today. It's a big number. Now, the question is, should we be using Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or even AOL for email for business purposes or as in career transition? Let me share with you my opinion and why I share this opinion. Gmail. It's one of the biggest ones. It's owned by Google. It's 1.5 billion users. Done right with the right email address, it's a great way to represent yourself via email. Outlook.com, owned by Microsoft. Another great way to represent or present yourself in job search via email. Yahoo is a little bit older school email messaging, a little bit less security. I would rank that at number 3 if I was going to use an email address for career transition. AOL, even though there's still 1.5 billion people on there, is again one of the older style email systems, a little bit less secure, probably more fraught with spam and scams, etc., etc. I would rank that down way lower on the list for professional email addresses if you're looking for a job. Now, creating a Gmail or an Outlook.com email address is very easy. Just follow the steps at gmail.com, follow the steps at outlook.com, and set yourself up a new email address. Now, as far as the email address name, I would make it relevant to you as a person. I wouldn't make some cute email handle. I wouldn't make it, role specific. I wouldn't make it country specific. I would make it individually specific. My Gmail is teddyburris@gmail.com. That's what I would recommend you do. Make it relevant to your name. Again, ranking, I would use gmail.com, then outlook.com. Maybe I would use yahoo.com if I had nothing else and have a lot invested in that yahoo.com account. If I had an AOL.com account and I'm looking to get a job a day, I would not use that email address. I would move over to Gmail or outlook.com. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope these ideas are helpful for you.